Hi! In front of me is Nothing Phone 2, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Following that, tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Revert. Then tap on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and select this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way you will turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!